Hi and welcome to this edition of Digital Bytes. I'm David Appasamy, Head of Brand and Strategy at Social Beat. Subscribe to our channel if you really want to know how to use digital marketing to your advantage. Today we're going to look at what's been happening in the world of offline media and online media. Advertising is moving inexorably to online media to the extent that in the West, by 2020, investments in online media will exceed that of offline media for the first time in history. Now, we will get there as well in India. It will take longer perhaps, but we will get there. So if you're in FMCG marketing, how do you prepare for this world where people are spending more time online than they are offline? Especially if you've spent the last 40 years focusing on offline in terms of marketing your brand. Something to think about, isn't it? In the past editions of Digital Bytes on FMCG, we've looked at the flexibility digital offers, we've looked at the platforms and how they're growing, and the flexibility they offer in terms of your targeting and in terms of the kind of things you can do with them. Today, we're going to be talking about full funnel marketing. You're all aware of what full funnel marketing is, isn't it? At the top of the funnel, it is creating awareness. Middle of the funnel is consideration, and at the bottom of the funnel is conversion. And everything really depends on how you move people down the funnel and convert them to becoming your customers. So how can the digital platforms help you to do full funnel marketing? Because unless you're doing all of that, you won't be able to reach your marketing objectives effectively. You cannot use it just in terms of advertising because that will take a very long time. Let's take the top of the funnel where we want to create awareness. Let's say you're a hair care brand and you have various natural ingredients in your product that benefit the consumer in very real ways. What can you do at the top of the funnel? Very simply, you can create what's called a pillar post, which is 6,000 to 8,000 words and keyword optimized to what people are searching for. Hair care is a high involvement, high concern category. People are searching for how to prevent hair fall, how to prevent split ends, how to prevent dry hair. People are searching for all kinds of things. Now, based on what your product does and the kind of ingredients it has, you have a story to tell. Put that in the form of a pillar post, broken into chapters, so it leads from one to the other in terms of informing consumers as to how to take care of their hair depending on what the problem is. So if they searched for split ends, you deal with that. If they search for dry scalp and dry hair, you deal with that. So it's based on what people are searching for. We do the analysis, arrive at what the search interest is, and create a pillar post accordingly. So what will happen? When people search for these solutions to these problems, your post will come up. You become the brand that's giving them information that is empowering. And you become the expert on the subject. And your product is born of that expertise because it has those natural ingredients and the natural story to go with hair care. So that's at the top of the funnel. So is it only that they will discover it organically? Not really, because you can promote that content in multiple ways. When they're looking for similar products, your post can come up. You can do all kinds of things to get their attention. But this is really at the top of the funnel for them to notice you and your brand. Then we come down to consideration. So let's look at consideration. Let's say you're a brand of, hair dye. Now people are searching for hair dyes that don't affect their hair. And people are looking for information on how to apply hair dye effectively. You can have how-to videos, and the how-to videos can also weave in the product story. That's easier to apply, it's smoother because it has whatever ingredient. You can build in a whole lot of benefits into that story. So when people are searching for how-to, you're there. And mind you, how-to is a category of videos that a lot of people are searching for. So what do we do at the bottom of the funnel, at conversion level? You can advertise, of course, and you can advertise to people who've already looked at your content. You can remarket to them. You can advertise to people who are looking for similar content. You can advertise to people who are on a page on Amazon looking for those kind of products, there are multiple things you can do. You can also make offers so that they convert. Now, this entire process takes time, but online, the time is telescoped. Imagine trying to do anything like this offline. A, it's not possible. B, your advertising would take years, perhaps, for somebody to do a brand switch or somebody to notice your brand if you've entered the category late. But if you're online and you do full funnel marketing, you have a very good chance of getting their attention, influencing their behavior, leading to conversion. Full funnel marketing is the way to go for FMCG brands as you prepare for a future where people spend most of their time online. Because they're spending time online researching, they're spending time online looking for ways to do things, and they're spending time online looking for products. And if you are there at every stage of this journey, the chances are that you can get them into your fold as your customer. Now, what happens once they are your customer? What else can you do? In the offline world, every brand operates like a silo. But online, if you know that they've purchased a particular product, you can then suggest an allied product. So if they bought a shampoo, you can suggest a conditioner. So it's not just the brand or the category that you're selling, but you're selling hair care. And that's possible online. In an offline commercial, that's not. But online, you can offer bundled products that go with hair care in general. And if they believe that you truly understand what it takes to build natural ingredients for better hair care, they will try the other products and you enlarge the scope of your conversion. So think about how best you can communicate to a prospect and manage their customer journey so that they not only become a buyer of one product, they become a buyer of a basket of products in a category. We hope you found that useful. Contact us if you'd like to know more. We'd be happy to work with you or to have an interaction with you. And don't forget, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and bye-bye.
Hey guys!
We're the team behind Digital Bytes. We hope you found these videos informative.
If you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to cover,
Please comment below.
Don't forget to hit subscribe.
Thank you.